Hi, my name is Doug Goldstein. Today we're going to answer the question, do U.S. citizens in Israel pay tax to the IRS on a legal settlement? If you have any questions or comments about what you hear, please be sure to get in touch with me. My email address is doug@profile-financial.com. I am based in Jerusalem, and I work with people who live in Israel who want to have U.S. IRA and brokerage accounts. This discussion is based on a two-part article addressing questions that arise when people receive lump sums. For the entire article, you can go to www.profile-financial.com/settlement. If you're a U.S. citizen who recently received proceeds from a legal settlement, be aware of any possible tax requirements, as these can directly affect your retirement and estate planning. Depending on the type of compensation received, and if it involved certain kinds of claims and attorney's fees, the IRS may count the settlement as income and tax it accordingly. The first category is physical illness or injury. The IRS doesn't count settlements based on physical illness or personal injury as income as long as you did not take an itemized deduction that year on your income tax. If you receive a settlement for medical expenses, but you deducted any amount in prior years as a tax benefit, then this part of the settlement counts as income. The next category, emotional distress or mental anguish. Settlements for emotional distress or mental anguish have the same rules for physical illness or injury, with one exception. You must include any proceeds for this purpose that did not originate from personal injury or illness in your income. In other words, any additional proceeds paid out for mental anguish not directly caused by the original injury. The IRS holds that such proceeds are additional income not related to the settlement and must be taken into consideration separately for both legal and tax purposes. Finally, how to handle the money when it comes in? We've recently dealt with many people who were receiving a lump sum settlement from a lawsuit. Because of difficulties in dealing with the banks, these clients were happy to be able to open an account in the United States. With simple instructions, the clients then told the law firm where to wire the money, and the whole process went smoothly. Unfortunately, dealing with settlements often has stresses, both practical and emotional. It's important to understand your tax situation as well as work with an investment firm that understands your specific needs. Here's how you can get some free information. To get this complete article, both parts, along with the IRS's information about what you need to report to the IRS regarding a legal settlement, go to www.profile-financial.com/settlement. If you have any questions or comments about what you heard today, or if you have any questions about opening a U.S. brokerage account, please get in touch with me. My email address is Doug, D-O-U-G, @profile-financial.com. And don't forget, before you do any investing, be sure to check out the complete disclosure at www.profile-financial.com/disclosure.